Oh my God.
Back to the Milwaukee again today, but I was like, if we can fish a different river and like hang out, and you know, like I haven't really spent any time around you or like any of your friends and stuff, and I've like been meaning to do that, and you know, I was gonna hit up Kyle too and do the same thing, but I just saw your post, and I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna give Andrew. I've seen it twitch, but I haven't seen it twitch like that.
This is gonna be real interesting when it gets to the edge of this ice.
We have to, like, break
if we
through
could
this
go
ice.
down there, it might be a little bit better, but.
I don't know. How thick is it?
Yep. Pretty thick.
Maybe I can go down and walk them down?
Yeah, let's try to walk them down to that narrower part of it. This is one of those things where we were just going to have to worry about it once we
it's just like,
got...
you worry about it when we
I was thinking maybe his head shakes would break it up a little bit. And it's so mucky right here, you can't even like... That's what I was hoping would happen.
I'm pretty sure I got 12. I'm pretty sure I got 12-pound test on too.
That's a ballsy thing to do. I love it.
Well, if you ain't playing the game, you ain't winning the prize. There we go. It's starting to crack out right there.
I thought the head shakes might kind of... Oh. I still netted it.
I've never seen a fish hit it that way.
Here's your fine specimen of a fish.
It is a very nice.
Yeah, that's sick. That was a fun net job right over on the ice.
Yeah, right?
Just slide them out if you can, chuck them out there. That was pretty sweet. Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, dude.
Hell yeah, bro. Looks like a nice one.
Yeah, it does.
How are we gonna do this, Joseph?
We're just gonna see what happens. If he keeps throwing his head, that'll be helpful. Keep throwing it, baby. I only got 8 pounds, but we'll see.
It's a nice one,
Head
dude.
up, baby. Head up. Yeah, keep flopping.
Break that ice up.
Come on, baby.
Easy on her. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it, Joe. This is what you have to deal with when it's icy out.
Oh, boy. Come on. Well, I told you this was some thick ice.
It is. I could almost walk on it. Just kidding. Come on, man.
Of course, none of us have a waiter.
I know. Oh, dude, I wouldn't walk in that shit if I did have waders.
Does that stick any stronger than your... Yeah, that's really cool, ain't it?
That's a fish. It's way too big, dude.
Kick your tail, kick your tail, kick your tail. Way more.
Ah,
He just keeps breaking through.
oh, come here, buddy.
Damn.
Woo. That's a nice one, dude.
I gave it my best cause.
Nice brown.
It's a brown.
It's a brown.
It's a sea fur.
Let me pan on it. It's sick, dude.
A little bit of a struggle there, but
It worked.
nice path right here. You got about 6 inches that it broke, but then we're all golden.
Hell yeah. Sick. Staying down. There it is.
Oh. Did you? I'm gonna tell him you're talking shit. He's like, oh, kick his ass. Yeah.
Gotta try to get it right to the left a little bit more. Oh. Oh. Oh.
No, I know, I just
Oh.
thought it was funny because
Here we go.
6 more inches. Oh, it's about a foot. There we go. Now we got a pass.
Man's a righteous man.
Hell yeah.
Started biting. I just got a nice round, and we got 2 scales.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Nice little buck.
Both
Yeah.
orange bags.
Yeah, yeah.
I got a chartreuse bag on.
Come here, buddy.
Get rid of it.
Okay.
There's the fish. Oh yeah.
Hell yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Is that crazy how they just turned on?
Yeah.
I like it. Let me go grab the net. Oh, nice open patch to net it. On a different rod now?
Yeah, the bait caster.
Hell yeah, dude. That's a good looking fish. Get in here, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Nice, dude. Nice ice chunks.
You got
Maybe try to land it right here.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do, but I'm fucking slipping.
He's fighting.
Yeah.
Ooh, looks like a nice clean one.
Hit him up.
Mama. Oh. It's a nice fish. There you go, just perfect. Want your trophy specimen?
Yes.
Hell yeah, dude.
Landed one, hooked 2, and then just didn't even hook 1.
Yeah, my bite wasn't even enough to set the hook on it.
Yeah, that was the one I didn't set the hook on.
Red sack. Right? All I had to do was put that red sack on, bro.
Yeah.
I was saving myself for a bigger fish, honestly.
I talked that fish right into biting me.
Yeah, you did. I needed it, though. Like I said, I was saving myself for a little bit bigger of a fish, too.
You wanted one that was just going to be full.
I mean, that's not a small steel.
Oh, that's a nice fish.
And I also had to put that red sack on. That was a little trick of the trade you taught me.
Brown?
Oh, it's a pretty one. Brown on a red sack?
Yeah, all right. It ain't orange, red's the closest one.
Heck yeah.
You wanna go to the grass?
That's a nice brown.
Rather than in the mud. That's what I was thinking.
That's a good one, bro. Want to take a pic
Yeah, I can do that.
or something? Yeah, I'll take that. Oh, will you hit that GoPro button twice? No way. Mama. I thought we done ruined it for you, but nope. Heck yeah, son. Is that a good one? Oh. Mama. Oh yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Go on this grass.